one's not 6 or 4.
Yeah, 6 and 4.
You need number 6.
I need 1 and 4.
Here, 2, number 2.
Don't be scared. Dig in.
6.
Smell it.
Here's
Visualize it.
Oh,
Texturize
that
it.
looks, it's watery. And there's nuts in it. There's nuts in it. I didn't get that just. So gross. You want some? No.
They're all different. Every single one of them is different.
They're like, I get yelled at when I do that in a diaper.
I know what this one is. It's eating. It's got peanuts in it, or almonds already. Yummy.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
She's on it. She's like,
Get out of there.
Nothing. I'm telling you. Take your best
Okay, I need another one. We got number 1 and 5 and.
Five's right here.
Yeah, with 3. I need 3 also. Oh, it's kind of warm.
Take a guess.
They're all warm. Take a guess. This looks gross. Like.
It's like when they put corn, right?
I don't even want to try that. It doesn't smell good.
I was like, wait. I had to double check my.
I want that in her face.
I don't know what
She's trying to.
I don't know what they I don't even have any idea.
He's just trying to look like an extra.
And I just have more chocolate that's not melted.
What happened? Oh, I know this one. Wait, what
I
they call
think your
it?
inner fat kid just came out. Your eyes went big and.
I don't even know one of them, to
Here, you got.
What do you guys
I need
want?
5 and 1.
be honest. We have like options.
Three again?
I need to have them back. I think,
Are they some of these duplicates?
No,
no.
they're all different.
You need 3? Where's 3?
They're all different.
She said.
Catherine, no.
She said.
I think I know this one.
It tastes good. You want some dirty diapers?
Can you find it?
Oh, look, you said they had opened it wide enough.
Yeah. What was that 5?
I have 2 answers.
I need 1. Don't throw it at me. I'll put it in your face. I'll put it in your face.
Oh, I have it. I'm like, oh, I have
No
it.
idea.
What is that called?
I did.
It's not.
I did.
What is that called? It's minty.
Don't look at. I can't give you answers. I help.
Should we like
See, if I wouldn't have helped out a plate,
like two different diapers?
but I just I help.
Oh my gosh! Karma!
Oh.
Stay. Don't move. Oh, those are all dreams.
Get the towel. Yeah, get the towel.
If you would have been drinking it instead of sitting on it like a...
Well, I don't know why she's right next to me singing.
Because she wants to see what everybody's doing.
Girl, sit still.
Catherine.
You got the kid size ones over here.
Alright, you guys have.
What is this?
2 more minutes. Actually, a minute.
I never got 4.
Right there.
This is
Can I
6.
just what's number 4?
I need 2.
I do.
You guys have one. I know what it's called now. You guys have 1 minute.
Smells awful. Here's number 4. Who needs number 4? Anybody need number 4?
This thing has huge peanuts in it.
Come on, guys. 1, 2, 3,
Oh,
4, 5, 6. I got them all.
Me too.
I give up.
Well, my turn not to.
What is that?
I don't know how to respond to this one. This number 4.
Why do you be digging your fingers in there?
I'm ready. Feel the answers. Is it a minute yet? Oh.
Yeah,
Something I don't like, so I don't know what it is.
Ooh.
I think I know what this is.
But I just guessed anyway. Okay.
Okay. That's it.
Alright.
Stop ready.
Alright, Bob.
Okay.
Okay, so one. Each
Hey,
one.
Alicia.
Yeah, no, each one is gonna go. No! I hate you!
They should have never given you that chair.
I know, it's a chair. Better get them out and check.
Okay, number 1. No, you read them out and we'll check them. No.
Okay, then you can.
No. Just let them read it.
For number 1, she got
Just-
Reese's.
No, that's number 6.